Check out my new grand piano and 4 new riffs that you'll be able to put together really quickly. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Welcome if you're a newbie to piano or if you've made a New Year's resolution to do something that you've always wanted to do. Well, I scored a baby grand piano for Christmas this year from my daughter Taylor in miniature form. And as I was putting it together, it was actually really easy as all the steps were broken up and easy to follow. So as we tackle a new piece that I've created today, let's break it into only 4 little riffs or patterns that are really beautiful and easy to do, and then we can mix them all together and swirl them into your own improvisation. Let's get started. This starting pattern is formed on 3 black keys. And let's play a rhythmic pattern or ostinato of these 3 notes only. Watch that your wrist allows little arc movements away from your thumb as you play this 8 times. Now we add 3 black notes into the left hand. I have the right hand based on A flat. Let's start on A flat in the left hand and we're just going to go down the 3 black keys right beside the A flat. Now let's add a 5th above with the same black key pattern going down. Now instead of going down from that A flat pattern, let's go upward. Let's now start on that A flat again, play 3 notes up, and then maybe let's add an extra note as well. So A flat, step up, and then over to another note. You may also like to throw your hand up above and play your A flat, step up, and then add an extra note there as well. And the final riff that we could create is if we step down from the A flat, but then maybe add an extra note down there as well. So A flat, step down, and 1 more in any direction that you like. Well, thanks so much for staying to the end. Remember to be brave and make your own music too. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, as this will really help me out, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Also, you may like to let me know if you have a grand piano or an upright piano or a keyboard in the comments down below. Happy music making and see you next week. Ta-da!